Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reworking the combat system. Okay, so I'm going to put in the animations first. The animations, the effects. Okay, here's my hidden animations, here's my effects folder, here's my animations. I'm going to put them in replicated storage. And for the hitbox, I've made a new module. It's called Untitled Hitbox. You can look it up in the toolbar, in the toolbox. I'm going to put it in server storage. I've made a video about this, you can look it up yourself. And there is also an API inside of it. I'm gonna name it modules, and you see there's the API, you can read it yourself. It's similar to like a hitbox, but you make a box instead of base. Let's make a local script instead of star character scripts. So service game that service user input service. And then the remote event, I'm going to be making the remote event. Remote event, I'm going to name this combat event. Remote equals game dot storage with for child combat event. If typing, then stop the script. You can use return end. Dot user input type, not key code. Mouse button 1, since we're going to be clicking. We're done with this local script. Now we can close this. I'm going to be naming it combat input. Oops. Make a script, call it combat server or anything you want. Remote equals game. Wait for a child combat event since it's not going to load. And here I'm going to be doing something like this: game.player.player edit cannot function player character edit character set attribute combo 1. So once a player joins, I'm going to set an attribute and call it combo, and the value should be 1. It's for my combo animations. I'm going to play animations, but play different animations depending on the combo. This attribute works as variables or custom property. It's just to store combos. Okay, now let's make an on server event function. Now let's do humanoid equals character wait for child humanoid local root part equals humanoid part local animator equals the part equals humanoid animator. It's for the animation. Oops. Okay, I'm going to set the attacking character set attribute. I'm going to set another attribute. I'm going to call it attacking. I'm going to check if there is an attribute called attacking. Get attributes to get the attribute true. If attacking, then return and. Then I'm going to remove the attacking property, or no, not property, attribute once my animation stopped, so my attacks don't overlap. Okay, now we're going to do the animations. Local animations equals game storage dot animations dot punch anims get children. Local animation equals animator load animations combo. Now let's make a combo variable. Local combo character get attribute combo. That's why I did this. Now let's make a function called change combo. Function change combo character local combo equals character get attribute combo. If combo is smaller than max combo, I'm going to make a max combo variable. Local max combo. In this case, I'm going to set the max combo to 5 and make sure you have enough animations for the max combo. If your max combo is 5, you need to have 5 animations. If your max combo is 3, you need to have 3 animations or more, depending. Okay, there is an error here. If combo is smaller than max combo, then set attribute combo plus 1 to increase the combo. Forgot to add the comma. Else character set attribute combo 1. It's to reset the combo. Now set combo. I'm going to set this name to set combo. Set combo character. There we go, and let's play the animation. Animation play. And animation dot stopped. Animation dot stopped. Connect function. Character set attribute checking no. Now let's do the hitbox. For the hitbox, you can do something like this. Let me require the module first though. Local muchacho hitbox equals require game dot service storage dot modules dot muchacho hitbox. Here has the instructions to do this. There are a lot of properties. There are some properties, not a lot. I'm going to be using a few properties right now. Yes, I only need to use a few. Hitbox equals module muchacho hitbox and create hitbox. This is to create the hitbox. It's similar to instance.new. Hitbox.size. I'm going to set the size to vector3.new666. Set the offset to cframe.new 00 minus 2.5. Set the C-frame to the root part. So with the C-frame, you can set it to either a C-frame like cframe.new111 or an instance like workspace.baseplate. So when you set it to an instance, the hitbox will automatically follow the instance. Root part. There we go. Now we're going to be using the .touched event. Hitbox.touched. It's not actually a .touched event, by the way. It's just an event I made. It's a custom event that I named .touched. The humanoid, 2 parameters. I'm going to check if the humanoid is not our humanoid, then if the humanoid is our humanoid, then return and humanoid whom take damage, maybe like 5. Let's start the hitbox start, and let's add a weight 0.16. So my hitbox has a delay on it. Then we're going to stop the hitbox in animation.stop. Hitbox, oh yeah, hitbox hasn't been created, so I'll just put this below here. Stop. Okay, cool. Now you can also turn off the visualizer, but I'm going to turn it on right now since I wanted to see how the hitbox looks like. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see if there is an error or not. I hope there won't be an error. Click. Okay, it works. By the way, there will be a delay when the hitbox follows you. That's because of latency. You can fix this delay by making the hitbox in the client and then setting information to the server, but I don't recommend this. This is lagging because this is not a part and I'm not welding it. This is actually a spatial query. It's a 3D box but not a part. Let me test it. See, there is a custom hit list. There is a built-in hit list I made, so it can't hit multiple times. It can only hit multiple NPCs or characters. You can also set it to hit once if you want it to only hit once. So detection mode equals hit once. You can you can look into more detection modes here, but I don't want it to hit once. Okay, so let's turn off the visualizer. Now let's add in combo reset. Local function combo reset character and the old combo task.delay. I'm going to wait for 1 second for the combo to reset function, and local current combo equals character get attribute combo. If old combo is 5, return n, since we're already going to be resetting the combo if the combo is 5, so it doesn't matter. And we're going to check if current combo -1 is the same as old combo. It's basically the same as if the character's combo is not changing. And character get attribute attacking equals false, and not character attacking. It's the same as false or nil. Then we reset the combo. Okay, we're going to do this combo reset character and the old combo. Let's see if this works. I'm going to punch 1 2, wait 1 second, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it's working. But I wanted it to have end lag though, so let me add in end lag. Okay, let me add in end lag. Okay, here, if combo equals 5, then let's wait 2 seconds and set the humanoid walk speed to 5 and set it back to 16 here. You can also make the walk speed make your character slower when you're M1ing by doing this. Speed equals the amount of speed you want, but I don't want to do this. I'll set it to 7. It's optional. See, I don't like this. Okay, I'm going to remove this, but you don't have to if you like it. Okay, now we are going to be making the effects. So let's make a module for the hits, for the damage. I'll name this hit service. I've made something similar to this before, but it sucks. So let's make a new one. We're going to be doing the damage here and the effects here, doing the checks here. Function module dot hit. Few parameters: the humanoid that we're hitting, damage, the stun duration, the knockback. You can add more stuff here, and the effects and the extra function. If f, then call the function. You may be wondering why we are putting the effect into this parameter. Well, it's because we are doing the check inside of this hit module, not inside of this script. So let's say you want to add blocking. You check if the character is blocking in this module script, not in this script. So if you hit a character, when the character is blocking, and you do the effects here, it's going to check if the character is blocking. If it is blocking, then it's going to negate the damage. There will be no damage, but the effects will still run, and I don't like that. So that's why I do this for the effects, for the extra function. Humanoid, take damage. Damage. Okay, now for the stun. There is a module script called stun handler. It's very simple to use. Not this. Stun handler. Is it this? No, it's not. It's not this. Stun handler. Which one is it, dude? Is it this? Stun handler V2. Stun handler V2. Stun handler. Well, anyways, use this module. I'll probably link this in the description. And let's require this module. Local stun handler equals require script.stun handler v2. I'm going to stun this stun handler. Stun handler dot stun humanoid and the stun duration. Stun duration. Okay. Now we're going to require hit service. Hit service equals require service storage. Okay, service storage dot modules dot hit service. I am doing hit service because I want to do the checks here. So let's say you want to make skills. You don't have to keep checking every time if the character is blocking, if the character is blah 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 X, Y, and Z. You only need to check it in this module, and you can just fire the function and the module will do the rest. You can also customize this if you want. Like let's say if you wanted to block break, you can add in an extra parameter like guard break. If it's true, then blah 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 blah. Okay, now let's use this hit service. Hit service, hit humanoid. What is it again? Humanoid, the damage 5, the stun duration 0.1, the knockback, and the function. Okay, let me do something like this. Let's make a function. Local function effects. Local effects folder equals game.search.effects folder. Article local attachment effects folder dot equals instance dot new attachment. I'm going to put the particle inside of attachment. Attachment parent equals root part. Local particle equals effects folder dot hit effects. Particle dot parent equals attachment. Particle emit maybe 5. Sound equals effects folder dot hit sfx. Sound dot parent equals home dot root part. And sound play. Game.b add item. I'm going to remove the attachment in 0.1 seconds and remove the sound in 0.1 seconds. The knockback will be nil and the effects will be here. Okay, let's see if this works. There is an error. The effects is not. Oh yeah, let's clone this. Clone. Yeah, it's working. The sound needs to get removed a bit later though. 0.5, 0.3 maybe. Yeah. Now we're going to check if the character is stunned. If the character is stunned, then we are going to stop the script. Equals stunned equals character get attribute stunned. If attacking or stunned, then return end. Because right now when you're stunned, your character is not able to move, but your character can punch. As you can see right here, when the script stuns someone, it sets an attribute in the character called stunned. So we're going to check for that attribute here. Now let's make the knockback. If knockback, then we're going to be using body velocity. Then local bv equals instance.new body velocity dot max force equals vector3 dot new 111 times it with method huge, so it's the maximum max force. bv dot velocity equals kb. bv dot parent equals humanoid dot root part game dot debris item bv and 0.1. Yeah, let's see if this works. The dummies are anchored. Let me remove the script right here. Then I am going to do the hit animations and I will wrap this up. I haven't put in the KB, okay. Root part C-frame look vector times 10. If combo equals is smaller than max combo, then else. If the combo is smaller than max combo, then I'm going to do this. If it's max combo, I'm going to do 100 because I want to knock back even further. And let's do the animations. Local hit anims equals scheme.storage dot hit anims get children. Since I only have 3 hit animations, I'm going to be reducing them. If combo equals 1 or combo equals 3, then else if combo equals 2 or combo equals 4, then else if combo equals max combo. Hit local hit anim. I'm going to declare a variable hit anim equals humanoid load animation hit anims 1 2 3. Now we can play hit anim. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Wait a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's working. Now let's test it out on the dummy. Okay, the animations are loaded now, so it will play a bit more smoothly. It's working. Amazing. Alright, so this is it for my video. The next video will be about blocking and block breaking, and the next video after that will be about air combos maybe. Alright, this is it for this video. Thank you, and I will see you next time.